Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A year of hard work to avenge last season's defeat paid off for Team Fluff as it earned a dramatic 63-59 victory over Team Ruff in Puppy Bowl 16. In the game's final seconds, Crumpet gave Team Ruff the lead.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Team Ruff defeated Team Fluff in a final score of 73-69 to win Puppy Bowl 17. Team Ruff's captain got a Chewy Lombardi trophy, but really, all the dogs won. Sunday's event featured 70 puppies from 22 different shelters.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's an event that's obviously designed to be playful, but there's a bigger message, too. All 70 of the pups come from shelters and rescue centers. Because Puppy Bowl filming takes place in October, most of the dogs you'll see on screen have already been adopted.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Puppy Bowl 17 will be hosted by Martha Stewart and Snoop Dogg, while ESPN's Steve Levy and Sage Steele are slated to provide play-by-play commentary during the broadcast. The Puppy Bowl VXII pregame show will begin at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Live stream, you can stream the Puppy Bowl live with FuboTV.
Take our lead.
In the U.S., the Puppy Bowl is going to be broadcast on Animal Planet, which is available with most cable packages and on one of our favorite streaming services, FuboTV. The game starts at 2 p.m. Eastern Time today, Sunday, February 7th.
Let's help you make your mark.
Puppy Bowl 17 will take place today, February 7th, at 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Animal Planet and streaming on Discovery+. Martha Stewart and her BFF Snoop Dogg are tackling the event as hosts this year, with Stewart repping Team Ruff and Snoop taking Fluff.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.